Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Discord membership using wap.com. So in first step, we will head towards wap.com. And if you have not already created an account here, you can sign up. So after signing up, you can see a bar in the top right corner. So there we will click on Start Selling option. After that, it will take us on this page where it requires us to name it. So for example, I'm writing YouTube tutorial membership and now click on Next. Now we have to choose the category which best fits our membership. After that, click on Next. Here it will load and take us on the main dashboard where you can add different apps. Now moving to Discord, we will click on Add App. And here it wants us to connect Discord and also make sure before connecting you're already logged in and made your server in Discord. Now click on Continue and click on Authorize. Now click on Access and click on Create a Product. Here it will ask if it's paid or free. We will click on Paid. From here, you can choose according to your requirements, whether you want to charge monthly or one time. Now from here, you can choose the subscription price and time period for it. Now click on Continue. So now you have successfully created a product, so that's how your monthly membership on Discord is set up. Hope the video was helpful. Thanks for watching.